How to add multiple photos or videos to Snapchat story. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add multiple photos or videos to Snapchat story. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and open Snapchat, and then you gotta take any image. For example, this is the picture that I've taken. Next, you gotta click on the sticker icon over here, and then you'll be able to see this option that says upload photos. So by clicking on this, you'll be redirected to your phone's gallery and you can select any image that you want to post. For example, I just selected this, and then you can click on sticker again and select any other image. Let's say I've selected this. So just like that, you can add multiple photos over here, and then you can simply post on your story. Alternatively, you can simply head over and upload pictures from your memories as well as multiple photos or videos to Snapchat story. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.